So AI avatars is the most talked about thing these days. And how are these AI avatars actually created? Let's ask the creator himself. He's Madhav with us, who's the creator. Madhav, how do you create these AI avatars and what's so special about it? You could just give us a demo and create one for us.
Sure. Why don't we create one for you as well?
I don't mind.
So right here we have our custom made UI setup. It'd be better if you do it.
Okay.
So, begin now. Now we have 3 different timelines. You can choose if you want to go, how far you want to go into the future.
Very far.
Very far. Now we have 4 different environments, locations. So right here we have an underwater civilization, we have a Martian civilization, we have a super cyberpunk sort of civilization.
So let's try underwater. That seems pretty interesting.
Then these are 4 different species that we've created.
Okay.
This is a punk sword. This is someone who's Martian underwater.
Let's be punk.
Punk, this one.
Okay.
Male or female.
There you go.
Now you get to name them whatever you want. Something that is crazy and futuristic.
Oh my. Oh. Crazy and futuristic. Somebody's already
can type-
chosen.
yeah, you
Okay.
can
I
type
can
in-
take my name.
You can type your own name if you want.
Okay. Let's make it shark.
And I'll also need your email to send you your own. future
Okay.
ID card.
Yes. Okay, I'm done.
Click submit.
Submit. Guys,
In the meantime,
look at that. My AI avatar is just going to be there. Madhav has created it for me. Okay.
In the meantime, we'll move over here to the webcam.
Okay. So that's the webcam where I'm standing for my picture to be turned into AI.
You will position this a little bit. I have to change the background.
Okay, so I'm going to be underwater. That's what I chose.
Inferior technology, you know.
Underwater. It's taking a bit of time, but we'll be there.
Okay.
There you go.
Now, if you look at that screen,
Okay, guys, look at that. That's my avatar that's being created. You can take a look there. Oh my God, I'm already underwater. And that's the real-time AI avatar being created. I can move my hands here and see. Wow, that's pretty cool.
right? You can do whatever you want to cover your face. You can wear your specs. You can take them off. You can do whatever you want.
Okay, let's try.
So these are all recorded frames that we have, and from these we choose the best one.
Okay.
And we will create a future ID card, sort of like a future Aadhaar card. And
Okay.
we'll email it to you.
Okay, so I have my future Aadhaar card here already. That's an underwater AI avatar that's been created. So
Now you've left
let's
the
see.
frame, so that's-
Okay. So can we now just see the final thing?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So guys,
The ID card takes some time.
okay. The ID card is going to take time, but these are the frames. That's my AI avatar. That looks quite cool. And I think the one that I'm wearing specs with is looking pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, this is also nice. So I was scanning my face, real-time AI avatar that was created. So that was crazy AI avatar, and that's AI for you.